Hi, I'm Thais from Weston Nissan. Today I'm going to show you how you can schedule a service appointment online. Whether you are on your phone or your laptop, the first thing you would want to do is head over to westonnissan.com/schedule-service.html. Here it will prompt you to either enter in your phone number or email address to sign in. Once you enter that information, if you have an account already, you can select your vehicle and move into the next step. If this is your first time, we ask you to enter in your vehicle information with the make, model, year, and a little bit more information, and then click Next. Select the service you would like, and then click Next. Select whether you will be staying at the dealership or if you have a ride, then click Next. If you would like to work with any specific service advisor, you can select them here, and you can select a date and time that best suits you. Select Next and review and fill out any information it may prompt you, and then click Book Service. You have now created your service appointment. Don't forget, you can always call us at 954-933-5534 to book your service appointment or if you have any questions.